Morning everyone, welcome back, and today we're gonna harvest these sweet corn. Just break them out like that. You see, and then there, sweet corn around here. Here, straight this one out. So check this out. So you can see, people, there's corn in there. That's corn. This one here. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna leave some of them roasting. Make this one. This one. The pumpkin. Yeah. Picture harvest. You can see, looking good here. These are sweet corns. Harvest. And there's more. There's more. I'm gonna use those for another stuff. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.